Hi, and welcome to this special edition of The Brief. We're taking a closer look at the Twitter Bitcoin hack and why it isn't like any breach we've ever seen before. Here to help me unpack all this is Aaron Shum, Practice Lead for Security and Privacy here at Infotech. Thanks for joining us, Aaron.
Happy to be here, Carmi.
Aaron, what makes this unique in the annals of major security events and breaches?
Sure, Carmi. Twitter announced that this was a coordinated social engineering attack by people who successfully targeted some of their employees. But some sources are suggesting that this may have been a compromised Twitter employee who was paid off. Now, was it really a sophisticated social engineering attack, or was it really a malicious insider?
So, be that as it may, what are the key issues that enterprise IT needs to take away from this?
That's a great question. First of two key issues here is that robust privileged access management should be able to mitigate an attack such as this. This may mean that even Twitter haven't done privileged access management right. If an employee went and obtained or changed passwords on high-profile accounts, how could they not know? And relating to this, insider threat prevention and detection, having a program in place to anticipate it, if it really wasn't a malicious employee, is super important.
So if you're an IT organization, you're responsible for security, what do you do differently going forward?
I would say make sure you have a good security incident response and communication program. Like, how would you deal with an attack? How quickly can you respond? And also ensure that you have an effective communication plan to your end customers and employees, instilling trust that even if events happen, you can deal with it swiftly and effectively.
That's great advice, Aaron. Thanks so much for sharing it with us.
You're welcome, Carmi.
If you're looking for additional information on how to best protect yourself, download our blueprint called Develop and Implement a Security Incident Management Program. That's food for thought.